Okay, I'm just coming up to my last increase and knitting 4 stitches. Just wanted to show you that I am going to do an increase right at the end before I slip the stitch marker. So again, lift that up, left needle goes in, knit into the back of it, and now I'm at the stitch marker, so I'm just going to slip that from my left needle to my right needle, and I'm ready to start a new round. So I've increased my 11 stitches. Now I've got 55 instead of 44, which is what we started with. And now we are just going to knit every round until we get to our decreases at the top of the beanie. So nice and easy, just knitting every stitch into the front, over the top, up, through, off, into the front, over the top, up, through, off, into the front, over the top, through, off. And we are just going to knit the whole way around, every round, until we are ready to do the decreases. So I will come back and show you how to do those very soon.